I'm about to put y'all on something that completely changed my life. Just a couple months ago, I was staring at my bank account, less than $150 to my name. One day, as I was scrolling TikTok for hours on end, like I usually did, I stumbled across a video of a guy creating a coin and dumping it. Now mind you, I'd been trading meme coins for a while. I sorta knew how it worked, but I couldn't seem to make a profit. I always kept getting dumped on. But back to that TikTok video. As soon as I saw it, I thought it was fake. Just another guy trying to stuff his meme coin course down your throat. But then it hit me. The same people behind the coins that I got rug pulled on were the ones walking away with all the money, all the liquidity, all the hard earned money that you and I have made to trade these coins. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'd be pissed as hell if somebody robbed me, and especially of my hard earned money. It wasn't the buyers, it was the creators cashing out while everyone else got left holding the bag. But fast forward to now, I've made over $500,000, and in a matter of months, just sticking to the grind, no experience, no fancy degree, just my shitty computer and a little bit of knowledge, got me here. And no, this isn't dropshipping. It's not Amazon FBA. It's something way faster, riskier, but way more real. I'm talking about a space where the craziest gains are possible if you play it smart. The meme coin game. This is where real people like me, and maybe you, turn scraps into fucking stacks. If you've lost before, I get it. I was down bad too. Man, all those nights, not knowing how I'll make it in society. So many questions. So what I'm about to show you might be the one shot you have to finally make this work. To finally make a change for yourself. It's not a guarantee, but it's a clear path to possibly hitting $1,000 to $2,000 a day, starting today. Are you ready to embark on this journey that I will be taking you guys, or are you just gonna sit around and wait for greatness? Now that we separated those who were serious and those who weren't, let's get on with the video. In this crypto world, more specifically in meme coin trading, there are two types of people. One, we have the developers of these meme coins that you trade, and we have the traders, those who try to snipe a coin on their PC all day, finding coins to invest their dollars in and hoping to make a profit. Between the two, which one will have 100% guaranteed win at the end of the day? The traders or the devs? If you chose the devs, it's correct. The thing with trading meme coins, and especially in the trenches, is that nothing is guaranteed. Absolutely nothing. You can never be sure when the developer is gonna pull that little carpet and everyone will fall with it. Just like this. But we're not like them. We're smarter than them. We want guaranteed profits. We don't want risk. We minimize risk and maximize reward. The way we're gonna do that is with the help of my strategies. Now, traffic and legitimacy are two very important things in a meme coin. Traffic is basically the way that people can get informed about your coin. How will they find it? Will it be through TikTok? Will it be through Instagram Reels? Will it be through X? Will it be through Deck Screener? There are so many different ways to get traffic. That's why creating coins has never been easier, bro. Most teenagers have the app TikTok installed on their phone. That they are the first people seeing all the new memes, all the new trends before anyone else, that we have traffic on this app. When we will go on the website, create tokens.fun, we will be able to create a coin that is relevant and has, I'm sure all of you guys saw it, the guy that was clowned on for basically recording his own morning routine, and people made thousands, if not millions, off of him. Now the next thing is legitimacy. By having a website or a Twitter link in the description of the coin. So community and links in your coin. If you guys can get both of these categories ticked off, the possibilities are endless. Would you look at that? Elon Musk has sent a tweet, and just in about 50 minutes is accumulated 1.7 million views. So that'll be our narrative for the coin. Since it's an Elon Musk tweet and what it looks like to be a chart of the US debt. So we're going to use the things that we just learned. We have X, so we can tick that off. It has a ton of views in a short amount of time. We can tick that off. And it's on the most followed guy on X, which is basically the community, ticked off. All we need to do will be to add the links later on in the token creation. So let's come up with a name. US debt, and the token symbol will be USD. I'm gonna drag a screenshot of the coin in here. There we go. Next, we're gonna be keeping the token decimals at 9 and the total supply at 1 billion. We are also going to be writing the token description like the US debt keeps getting bigger. We are going to be adding, as I said before, the Twitter link to the coin. Here we go. Since we don't have a website, nor Telegram, nor Discord, we're going to leave it all blank. And for these three options, we're going to keep it all selected. All we have to do is create the token and see how it goes. Now this is why creating meme coins will always be better than trading them. First, we have market volatility. We don't know how the market will turn out. We don't know when we'll get stopped out. And it's important to lower our risk, especially if you guys are starting out with a 2-sol balance or less than that. You need to save as much money as you can so you have a better chance of succeeding at it. And with all of that said, I hope that you guys learned something from it. I hope that you guys took action on this and will be reading more about this and maybe coming back to one of my other videos where I'll be dropping even more sauce for the videos to come. Now thank you for watching. God bless.